Hi, I'm Joanna from Galileo, where I create projects for kids to help them grow as innovators. I'm here with today's project challenge. In this challenge, you'll create a materials monster that can hold your drawing and crafting tools. To do this, you'll need to be visionary by imagining how to use cutting and folding techniques to bring your one-of-a-kind materials monster to life.
To get started, you'll need some paper, scissors, a couple of coins, some drawing tools, a paper towel, glue stick, tape, and a toilet paper tube. First, seal off one end of your tube by crisscrossing pieces of tape over the opening all the way around. Wrap a final piece of tape around the edge of the tube to keep them all in place. Next, cut a strip of paper that is the right size to cover the tube. To do this, lay the tube down at the bottom of a piece of paper and draw a mark above the top of the tube. Then, fold the paper at the mark and cut along the fold. Now you can decorate the paper with spots, stripes, or other designs for your monster's skin. Once the paper is decorated, it's time to wrap it around the tube. Tape one of the short edges of the paper to the top so it hangs off. Then add a piece of tape hanging off the other short edge. Flip it so that the tape is sticky side up. Then roll the tube up in the paper, letting the tape stick to the side. Next, weigh the tube down by taping a couple of coins together and pressing them down into the tape at the bottom to keep them in place. Now you can put the materials you want in your tube and adjust their height as needed. If you want the materials to stick up more at the top, you can crumple a paper towel and push it into the bottom of the tube. Once your tube is done, it's time to be visionary and imagine what to create to bring your one-of-a-kind materials monster to life. One way to create one-of-a-kind parts for your monster is to do symmetrical cutting so that the shape you cut out matches on both sides. This is where you fold a piece of paper in half and draw a shape coming from the folded edge. Then cut out the shape while the paper is still folded, and voila! A symmetrical shape. You can also try cutting out multiple matching shapes at one time. Just fold a piece of paper up a few times and draw a simple shape in the middle. Then cut out the shape out of the folded paper to get lots of shapes at once. You might even come up with your own folding and cutting techniques as you continue to be visionary and make one-of-a-kind parts for your monster. One way to attach the parts is to fold a tab at the bottom, spread some glue on it, and attach it to the side of the tube. We can't wait to see the unique and innovative ideas you come up with for your monster.
Well, that's it for this challenge. If you made a materials monster, we'd love to see it. So please take a photo or video and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.